This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to About Phone. Find Build Number. Tap Build Number 7 times, do it steadily, not fast, until the toast says you are a developer. Once done, return to the main settings list. Make sure to keep the device unlocked and use your PIN or fingerprint when asked. This step reveals developer options. It does not change settings by itself. It only unlocks the menu where advanced controls live. You next open Settings System Developer Options to reveal the tools. Toggle USB debugging on only when you need ADB. Make sure you're connecting to a trusted computer to avoid security risks. Then, optionally adjust window, transition, and animator duration scales to speed testing. Set background process limit to control multitasking, and use show touches or pointer location for input debugging. These changes allow faster testing and clearer logs. Remember some options: affect battery and performance. You finish by auditing what you enabled. Turn off features you no longer need so battery life and security return to normal. If you used USB debugging, revoke USB debugging authorizations for any unfamiliar computer. If the device behaves oddly after changes, toggle developer options off, reboot the phone, then enable only the required options. This often clears misconfigurations. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single option caused instability, revert that option first before doing a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.